Hello, welcome students for part 2 of haloalkanes and haloarenes chapter. Okay, in last class I explained about introduction of haloalkanes and haloarenes, classification and nomenclature. In today's class we will discuss about physical properties of haloalkanes and haloarenes and methods of preparation of haloalkanes. Physical properties and methods of preparation. So first, before going to physical properties, we will see nature of CX bond. The bond between carbon atom and halogen atom. What type of bond is it? Okay, the carbon center in haloalkanes is sp3 hybridized. So you can see here this carbon is attached with four bonds. One is with the halogen. Because of more electronegativity of halogen, it will acquire partial negative charge. So X acquires minus delta, whereas carbon atom gets plus delta, partial positive charge. Because of this partial positive charge and partial negative charge, it is a polar molecule. It has polarity. So the nature of CX bond is a polar covalent bond in which halogen atom gets a partial negative charge, whereas carbon atom will get partial positive charge. Because of this polarity, it has some properties. Alkyl halides have some properties. First one, we see this question. This CX bond in haloalkanes is polar in nature. Why? Why it is polar in nature? Because of difference in electronegativity of carbon atom and halogen atom. Second part, you see CX bond length increases from top to bottom. CF, CCl, CBr, Ci. The bond between carbon atom and fluorine atom is less than the bond length between C and Cl is less than the bond length between C and Br is less than the bond length between C and I. So from top to bottom, atomic size increases, bond length increases. So among these four bonds, Ci bond length is more, strength is less. Bond length is more, bond strength is less. Whereas CF bond is short bond length is minimum, bond strength is maximum. So to break CF bond, more energy is required, so it is less reactive. CF bond is less reactive as compared to Ci bond because CF bond is strong bond because of its bond length is less. So one more point is dipole moment. Order of dipole moment. CH3Cl dipole moment is greater than CH3F is greater than CH3Br is greater than CH3I. And one more point, dipole moment of chlorobenzene is lower than that of cyclohexyl chloride. Now we will see physical properties. First physical property is about solubility. Haloalkanes are not able to form hydrogen bonds. Haloalkanes do not forming hydrogen bonds with water. So there is no chance of formation of hydrogen bonds between haloalkanes and water molecules. Hence, they are insoluble in water. Why haloalkanes are insoluble in water? Because there is no chance of formation of hydrogen bonds between haloalkanes and water. Even though it is an organic compound, alcohols are soluble in water because of formation of hydrogen bonds. But here alkyl halides are insoluble in water due to lack of formation of hydrogen bonds between haloalkane molecule and water molecule. But these are soluble in organic solvents under the principle like dissolves like. Like dissolves like. Organic compounds are soluble in organic solvents. Haloalkanes are organic compounds. They are soluble in organic solvents like alcohol, ether, benzene, etc. What is the principle? Like dissolves like. Okay. Next one about physical state. As the number of carbons increases, physical state gradually changes from gas to liquid, from liquid to solid, so on. So number of carbon atoms less, what is the expected physical state? Gaseous state. Number of carbon slowly increasing, so physical state gradually changes from gaseous state to liquid state. If carbon numbers are more than 18, if more than 18, that means higher alkyl halides, then what is the physical state? Solids. So up to 18 liquid state, above 18 solids, and lower alkyl halides like methyl, ethyl, propyl, these are gases. Now what about boiling points? You will see next boiling points. Before going to boiling points, one more physical state is alkyl halides are colorless, generally colorless, but they turns yellow. You see example ethyl bromide turns yellow when exposed to light and air. So one more, they have some characteristic smell, characteristic odor also. So boiling point generally depending on molecular size, depending on van der Waals forces. As molecular size increases, van der Waals forces of attraction also increases, hence boiling point increases. You remember, boiling point is directly proportional to molecular size, is directly proportional to van der Waals forces. It is in general, maybe some exceptions also there and there. So you see iodides, bromides, chlorides, Ri, Rbr, Rcl, where R is an alkyl group. Among alkyl iodide, alkyl bromide and alkyl chloride, iodides are larger in size. So van der Waals forces are more. So boiling point is more. You see Rf is small, chlorine atom is small, chlorine is big, Br, top to bottom size increases. So small one is chlorine. So van der Waals forces are less in alkyl chlorides. So alkyl chlorides boiling point is less. Rf is less than, Rcl is less than, Rbr is less than Ri. It is the order of boiling point. So boiling point depending on number of carbon also. Boiling point increases with increase in number of carbon atoms in the chain, because as number of carbons increases, molecular size increases, therefore van der Waals force also increases. Methyl halide's boiling point is less than ethyl halide, which is less than propyl halide, which is less than butyl halide. So it is also order. Next one more order is it depending on arrangement. As the number of branches increases, you can see in this present slide, first one is N-butyl chloride. All carbon atoms are in chain. Second one is isobutyl chloride. Here one branch is there. Next one is a tertiary butyl chloride. Here two branches are there. So as the number of branches increases, boiling point decreases. First one, no branch, boiling point is more, 78.5 degrees centigrade. Second one branch, 69 degrees centigrade. Next third one, two branches, 51 degrees centigrade. As number of branches increases, boiling point decreases. So boiling point depending on number of branches also. Next one is density. Density also like boiling point type. As molecular size increases, density increases. As number of carbons increases, density also increases. As number of halogen atoms increases, density increases. You can see here in first one 2 chlorines, in second one 3 chlorine atoms, in third one 4 chlorine atoms are there. So number of chlorine atoms increases, hence density increases. So you can see density, fluorides and chlorides, because of their small size, because of their small low molecular weight, they are floating, they have less density than water, whereas bromides and iodides are more denser than water because of their large size and more molecular weight. Alkyl bromides and alkyl iodides are heavier than water. Alkyl fluorides and alkyl chlorides are lighter than water. So this is about physical properties. What we discussed up to now in physical properties: physical state discussed, gas, liquid, solid. Next boiling point is important, boiling point discussed. Next density discussed, color, some color because of light and air. Next they have some smell also. So next methods of preparation. Alkyl halides, now it is It is the topic we are going to discuss about methods of preparation of alkyl halides. Now I will explain to you separate. First I will explain methods of preparation of alkyl halides. I will explain in another part methods of preparation of aryl halides, because alkyl halides methods of preparation are entirely different from methods of preparation of aryl halide. From alkane you can prepare, from alkene, from alcohol, and by exchange of halogen atoms. There are mainly broadly you can divide methods of preparation of alkyl halides into 4 types: from alkane, from alkene, from alcohol by halogen exchange method. First one you see from alkane. So alkanes in class 11th already one chapter is there, hydrocarbon chapter. There you discussed alkanes. In alkanes generally undergoes alkanes pre-radical substitution reactions. You know, halogenation of methane, CH4 plus Cl2 in the presence of sunlight, it will give 4 types of product, substitution products. So it is an example for pre-radical substitution reaction. So in the same, by using same reaction, here you can prepare haloalkane. Haloalkanes can be prepared from alkanes and alkenes when the halogen atom replaces the hydrogen atom. It is the reaction already there in class 11th only. Methane reacts with chlorine in the presence of sunlight. First it will give chloromethane. In second step it will give dichloromethane. In third step trichloromethane. Last finally you will get tetrachloromethane. Its another name is carbon tetrachloride. CCl4, carbon tetrachloride, tetrachloromethane. One more name is there, pyrene. It is also known as pyrene. So it is the substitution reaction, pre-radical substitution reaction. It has mechanism. Already you know that mechanism. That mechanism has 3 steps: chain initiation step, chain propagation, chain termination. But this method has one disadvantage. You will get 4 products mixture, substitution product. From this mixture, if you want to separate anything, you have to do by fractional distillation. You will get only by fractional distillation. Here, if you want to get only pure chloroform, trichloromethane, you have to go for fractional distillation. You will get substitution product, mixture of substitution products in this method. So it is the method to prepare haloalkanes from alkane. Now we will see second method from alkene. Unsaturated compounds, unsaturated hydrocarbons with a double bond are called alkenes. Example, ethene, propene, butane, like this. You can see first example here, ethene. Ethene reacts with halogen acid like HX, like HBr, HCl, HI. Ethene reacts with HX, you will get haloethane. If ethene reacts with HCl, you will get chloroethane. Ethene reacts with HBr, you will get bromoethane. HI, you will get iodoethane. Next one more example is butadiene. If you take butadiene, add HBr, you will get 2-bromobutane. So it is an addition reaction. But here some exception is there, some variety of reaction is there. If alkene is unsymmetrical, here in present example, present slide, I taken only symmetrical alkenes. You can see the double bond is present middle of the compound. You cut the double bond in ethene, you will get CH2. Next also double bond, both sides equal groups are there. So these are symmetrical alkenes. In symmetrical alkane, always you will get only one type of product. If it is unsymmetrical alkane, you will get you can get 2 types of products. One is major product, another one is minor product. Which one is major product, which one is minor product, that can be decided by Markovnikov rule. What is that? No? Markovnikov rule. What is Markovnikov rule? When this Markovnikov rule will arise, if alkyl halide is if alkene is asymmetrical alkene, if you are adding a unsymmetrical alkene, unsymmetrical reagent. For example, Markovnikov rule, the negative part of the attacking reagent attaches itself to the carbon atom carrying less number of hydrogens. You have to remember this point. Negative part is always adds to the carbon atom having less number of hydrogen atoms. Okay, if you add HBr, H plus, Br minus always prefers the double bonded carbon atom having less number of hydrogen atoms. That is called Markovnikov rule. Markovnikov rule, according to Markovnikov rule, when an unsymmetrical reagent is added to the unsymmetrical alkene, the negative part of the reagent like Br, Cl, I always adds to the double bonded carbon atom having less number of hydrogens. So one more rule is there, peroxide effect or Karash effect. Peroxide effect or Karash effect, you can call it as anti-Markovnikov rule. It is quite opposite to Markovnikov rule, but it takes place in the presence of peroxide. Hence it is called peroxide effect. Here, what is the anti-Markovnikov rule? When unsymmetrical reagent like HBr, you have to underline this point, like HBr, hydrogen bromide, if you add to unsymmetrical alkene, Br minus, the negative part adds to the double bonded carbon atom having more number of hydrogens. If a double bonded carbon atom having less number of hydrogens, then that is Markovnikov rule. If a negative part adds to the double bonded carbon atom having more number of hydrogens, then this is called anti-Markovnikov rule or peroxide effect or Karash effect. You can see this example also. Here taken one butene, HBr is there, HBr. So anti-Markovnikov rule you can observe only in the addition of HBr. It is not applicable to the addition of HCl and HI. If we add HBr, what is the negative part? Br. Br will add to which group? Double bonded carbon atom having more number of hydrogens. That means CH double bond CH2 is there. So which carbon atom having more number of hydrogens? That means last, that means first carbon atom. So that's why product is 1-bromobutane. Anti-Markovnikov rule or peroxide effect applies to the addition of HBr only and not to the addition of HI or HCl. So this is about the preparation of haloalkanes from alkene. So from alkene addition reaction, from alkane substitution reaction. Next is very important, preparation of haloalkanes from alcohol. From alcohol you can have variety of methods. You can have variety of methods to prepare haloalkane from alcohol. You can see in this slide, alcohol is treated with halo acid, hydrochloric acid. First one is hydrochloric acid, halo acid. Alcohol plus halo acid. Second one, alcohol plus salt, sodium or potassium salt plus H2SO4. Finally, NaBr and H2SO4 finally gives again that first type only, alcohol plus HCl. Here you will get HBr. NaBr and H2SO4 means HBr only you will get. So addition of halo acid only, second one also. Third one is phosphorus trihalides. Third one, alcohol with the phosphorus trihalide. Alcohol plus phosphorus trichloride. Last, alcohol plus phosphorus tribromide and triiodide. PBr3 and PI3. Instead of using PBr3 and PI3, we will use red phosphorus and bromine, red phosphorus and iodine. One more method is alcohol reacts with thionyl chloride. So here all this alcohol is common. Alcohol is common. When alcohol is treated with halo acid, what is the product? Haloalkane. When alcohol is treated with phosphorus halides, haloalkane is the product. When alcohol is treated with thionyl chloride, haloalkane is the product. So we will see one by one. By the action of halogen acids, by the action of halogen acids. This method has some name, Gru's process. You see here ROH, alcohol, reacts with halo acid, hydrochloric acid, ROH plus HCl. Here ROH, from ROH, OH group, from HCl, H. Both will eliminate H2O. So what is the product? RCl. In the presence of anhydrous ZnCl2. In the presence of anhydrous ZnCl2. What is the function of catalyst in the above reaction? That means what is the catalyst here? Anhydrous ZnCl2. What is the function here? What is the role of ZnCl2? To remove H2O. Dehydrating agent. From ROH, OH, from HCl, H. So total H2O molecule is eliminated. So to remove water molecule, this ZnCl2 acts as a dehydrating agent. It is the role. So the role of ZnCl2 is anhydrous ZnCl2 is dehydrating agent. So you can take one more example. Instead of ROH, here I taken tertiary alcohol. Tertiary alcohol, 2-methyl-2-propanol, tertiary butyl alcohol. You can observe here what is the difference from previous reaction. If you use a tertiary alcohol, that ZnCl2, no need of that ZnCl2. Catalyst is not required because tertiary alcohols are more reactive than primary and secondary alcohols. This point you have to remember. Tertiary alcohols are very reactive and therefore they react readily with the concentrated HCl even in the absence of ZnCl2. So tertiary alcohols are more reactive than secondary and primary. It is from second method. Alcohol with reacts with KBr or NABr like this plus H2SO4. Finally, this KBr and H2SO4 also will generate HBr. Ethanol reacts with HBr. What is the product? Bromoethane. Like this you can take Ki and H3PO4. You can get iodoethane. You have to remember in this reaction H3PO4 you are using phosphoric acid. So next one is next method, reaction of alcohol with phosphorus halides. With phosphorus halides, PCl3, alcohol reacts with PCl3. What is the product? If PCl3, it reacts with PCl3, chloroalkane is the product. But bromoalkane, to get bromoalkane, no need to react with PBr3, no need to react with Pi3. You have to take red phosphorus and bromine, red phosphorus and iodine. Bromoalkanes and iodoalkanes are prepared by the action of PBr3 and Pi3 respectively on alcohols. As PBr3 and Pi3 are not very stable compounds, they are prepared in situ by the action of red phosphorus on bromine or red phosphorus and iodine. So if you give like this ROH on arrow mark, red phosphorus plus Br2, what is the product? RBr. Next method is reaction of alcohol with thionyl chloride. Reaction of alcohol with thionyl chloride. Alcohol reacts with thionyl chloride, it will give chloroalkane. This method is prepared. It is very, very important. This method is prepared than other methods because here both the products of the reaction, SO2 is a gas, HCl is a gas. SO2 can escape, HCl also will escape. Gases. In this method you will get pure alkyl halide. To get pure alkyl halide, what is the suitable reagent? Thionyl chloride, because all the other byproducts are gases. Next one is from alcohol, one more revision I will do revision. Alcohol reacts with HCl, salt and acid, PX3, that means trihalide, or PCl5. Even though PCl5 also you will get alkyl halide and thionyl chloride also. So one more halide exchange, halogen exchange. So here you can say CH3CH2Br, bromoethane. Now I want iodoethane. Here haloalkane is there, bromoethane. We want iodoethane. Exchange, we want bromide with iodide. This type of exchange is possible with two named reactions are there. These named reactions are very important in examination point of view. One is Finkelstein reaction. Here bromoethane reacts with sodium iodide to get iodoethane. So by halide exchange. So for what is the name here? Finkelstein reaction to prepare iodoethane. F is there here, you remember, F, Finkelstein reaction. What is the compound prepared? Iodoethane. Next one more compound is Schwarz reaction. Schwarz reaction. Schwarz reaction also you take a chloride, alkyl chloride, chloroethane taken, but product is fluoroethane. To prepare fluoroethane, fluoromethane, fluorobutane, so fluoroalkanes, it is the method you have to use. Schwarz reaction is used to prepare fluoroalkanes. Schwarz reaction is used to prepare fluoroalkanes. Here F also there in the form of fluoroalkanes. In Finkelstein reaction also F is there in name. You remember these two Fs are not in same combination. In Finkelstein reaction there is not at all fluorine is present. In Schwarz reaction you have to prepare fluorides. So like this you have to remember, these are the methods of preparation of haloalkanes. So these are the methods in our textbook. It is additional method for our competitive exams like JEE, NEET. Unsedecker reaction, one more reaction is there. Unsedecker reaction. You take some silver salt is treated with bromine in the presence of CCl4. Silver salts of carboxylic acid like silver acetate reacts with bromine in the presence of carbon tetrachloride. You will get bromoethane. So this is about preparation of haloalkanes. What we studied in today's class, now in this present session, physical properties of haloalkanes like physical state, density, color, smell, boiling points, and next one methods of preparation from alkane, from alkene, from alcohol, and by halide exchange, and finally Unsedecker reaction. From alcohols it is very important. Alcohol is one reactant, and what about another reactant? That may be HCl, that may be KCl plus H2SO4, next PCl3, PBr3, PI3, and thionyl chloride. In thionyl chloride, by using thionyl chloride only you will get pure haloalkane. And another, along with these methods, two named reactions also there, Finkelstein reaction and Schwarz reaction. Okay students, next here some questions are given for homework. Explain Schwarz reaction, explain Finkelstein reaction. I told in that reaction phosphoric acid only you are using with alkyl halide, with alkyl in the preparation of alkyl halide from alcohol. Why sulfuric acid is not used for the reaction of alcohols with Ki? And arrange the following in the increasing order of boiling points. Here 3 haloalkanes given, 1 chloropropane, isopropyl chloride, 1 chlorobutane. You arrange all these 3 in the increasing order of boiling point. Okay.